of God, of liberty. All hail Biafrans, the land of rising sun. Oh, hey, Biafrans, the land of rising sun. This is our own flag, the sign of unity. This is our nation, the mother of freedom. Welcome to my home. This is my motherland. Another world to sing. All liberty, Biafra. Another world to sing. Freedom of mind to God. Freedom to sing. Freedom to sing. Freedom to sing. Celebration, voice of freedom, victory, celebration, voice of freedom, victory. Freedom to the battle has been won. Celebration, voice of freedom, victory is here. Celebration, voice of freedom, victory is here. The world will sing, all hail great Biafra. Now the world will sing, freedom flag of God. We are France, we say, the hand of God this made us in the France. Said it, until the last celebration, voice of freedom, victory is in. Celebration, voice of freedom.
Yes, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra, for the avoidance of doubt, a live broadcast. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and Anambra State is Biafra land. Is the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. One day you people will understand the implication behind these words. As which you may first simply say, Nigeria as a corrupt entity cannot influence this platform. You may not be able to understand it. Of course, we do not expect you to be able to comprehend everything we do here. But the truth is that one day you will either be glad you support, or you wish you never resisted, because the truth must always prevail. There is no way that darkness can conquer the light, because in the presence of the light, the darkness is gone. Do not forget, I may be a black-skinned individual, but yet I come from a nation, a country, did I say country? A nation of the land of the rising sun. Mazi Uche Okafor is standing on the deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia. Abia is in Biafra land. You see, I begin to respect him. In fact, I respect him for so many reasons. But let's just look at one of them. His wisdom is divine. He may not be aware. The earlier or the more you humble yourself, the more you will understand that there is a power that shapes your way. As a Biafran, humble yourself, you will see that there is a power that shapes your way. That is Chukwu Okike Abiama. The wisdom of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our Supreme Leader, is divine. Some people say, how can he put divine to his name? He's evil, he's evil. Only God is divine. Because you are very hopeless. When the word divine is applicable, it simply means that which pertains to God. That means that the hand of God is there. I would have brought up some issue this morning, but it will not be for today. Tomorrow we'll continue from there. So I will not be digressing. Nobody command our loyalty. You can be a Joe in diaspora or in Biafra land. You can be yapping now and say, no, I don't join IPOB. Very soon your father name will change to IPOB. Don't worry. You can be Gala, Idoma, you are Agbo, you are not Igbo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Osetiana. This is Radio Biafra Extra, for the avoidance of that. I am George Onyibe. I'm from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. I served the indigenous people of Biafra as the African rep and the Nigerian national or interim coordinator, for the avoidance of that. At least till now, we always been praying to Chukwu Okike Abiama, those who can deliver this nation, Biafra sovereign nation. Bring them. And when you are able to meet the qualification, and then you move ahead. We can only pray for our leaders to succeed. We do not drag their position with them. But any of our leaders that don't have sense, we will give them sense. I hope you understand. Anyway, let's not go there. But I won't continue until I acknowledge the Almighty Creator. Chukwu Okike Abiama, the one that sits in heaven and presides over the affair of man. The one who has set our feet upon this path that we must follow. For he is our guide, our wisdom, knowledge, and understanding in matter both great and small. He remains the primordial influence that drives us. He is the lifting up of our head. For without him, we are no beggar. Did I say no beggar? Nobody. We are nobody. When Biafra is restored, I think I'm beginning to fall in love with two people. Two countries. I think I'm beginning to love Americans. It's not because I have forgotten that a former president of America rigged terrorists into office. The menace you see in Nigeria today was as a result of Obama, American president. If they do not call Obama to order, well, let's not go there anyway. And then I think the next group of people I'm beginning to love is Rastaman. If you are a Rasta man, I want to say, Ayana, respect thou. I'll go and learn Rasta language in the ara. Mad people. But what's on what Anyị na-aja gị mma o, ịmakwa n'eziokwu n'ịmara mma ịhụnanya na gị obiọma gị o juru m anya dadi o, ịmakwa n'inwe gị mgbanwe o, ọ dịghị onye dịka gị, ịbụ Alfa na Omega, anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. You may not understand it, but we do not expect you to understand it. For in due process, all of you must hail Biafra. I see our leader tour round and round and round and round. And I see people coming to him and say, oh, man of God, pray for me. And they need them. And I watch our leader. Our leader will now stretch forth his hand and begin to anoint them in the name of Chukwuka Abiyama. You never know the respect I have for you. Any of you who saw the man of God, who sees the man of God, now or then, and you kneel down and say, man of God, bless me, you are blessed beyond measure. You are blessed beyond measure. Forget about it, doesn't control Yoruba Guta, Yoruba church taking you to heaven, or a imam taking you to hellfire with 27 virgins. Forget about it, that is a man of God. It doesn't matter. I don't need to love you to walk with you. You don't need to dance to my thing, so we do what we do. Only one thing matter here. That is the future and the destiny of our people. I say, whoever you are, you want to change this thing we are here to do, you never know what is coming from you, for you. Okay, let's compromise. You know, you got to move on from somewhere. You got to never know what is coming from you. Believe me, I am a poor man. Very, very, very poor man. But I rather died as a poor man and a genuine Biafran than to associate with those who build their towers in Havre and Diamonds Mountains. I will never, because let me tell you, you are not more educated than me. You are not more connected than me. You are not more visionary than me. You don't pass me in any way except you are more corrupt than me. But understand, it's not about me. I bring myself in the place because there is no greater testament than those who are involved. There is nobody who will tell your history except those who have felt it. Those who died unjustly, those who died for our people to be alive, those who died for me to live alive. I feel their pain. I may have been considered not an Igbo man. That is why some hopeless people are telling me, Imo State. I get you, if a thunder will fire you. You never know my ancestors came from Imo State. And then your own father, your own breed has never come. Don't you know I'm from Utowiri? Do you not know I am from Utowiri? You don't know. My ancestors actually came there. One day I will tell you the name of every community in Abo and where they actually come from. Because we all set out from Uri. Having said that and received the blessing of Uri, he sent us out. Hopeless people will not demean that history. So when you talk, I look at you. I am more Igbo than Igbo man. Not for anything. If you like, come from Umbito, Umbisemba, come from anywhere in Igbo land and sir, there is no Igbo you will speak, I will not understand. I may not be able to speak it fluently. Understand that. But I understand all of them. When I came to River State the first time in my life, I rented a house somewhere in Rumola. And when my landlady came out in the morning and he was speaking, they said, Obroma. And they were like, I was understanding everything they are saying. I picked my phone and I called my mother then. And I said, are these people from my place? My mother never answered me till today. She smiled. But now I know better. And now I see the lights. I don't need to go to Enugu. When you are Igbo man, you come across my way, you are speaking Igbo. He won't understand. Because all one I won't go into that. Let me not digress for that in any way. Our topic this morning is simple. The inside man. The inside man. The inside man. The inside man. That is our topic this morning. Let us look at it. I come across an article online from Adim Delon. I do not know who he is, but anyway, he said something. It makes sense. Adim Delon. But then I begin to give it, and I said, maybe this article can help our people. I know not everybody will be able to process the information, digest the information, and make proper use of this information at the same time duplicating it. And then I took time and I followed it up. Now let's look at what he said. Adem de Leon actually quoted somebody known as Ilichuku or Haji. He said he wrote, and I quote. I'm not the one quoting, it's Adem de Leon quoting. Let's go on. I want Biafra, but I'm not in that school of thought that say they support anything that will give them Biafra. But people say, we want Biafra. Anyhow, look at all the criminals on social media, all the criminals deceiving you. You should be ashamed of yourself. They will say, our leaders, anything you can do, you to give us Biafra, please give us Biafra. Give me Buhari head. Show me that body of Fulani headsmen. Stop fooling yourself. I saw a video online this morning, and somebody say, I'm beginning a series of exposing Islamic radical Islamic, thunder fire Islamic radical. Have they seen radical? We have been watching Geneva Convention, United Nations. We have been watching EU. We have been watching the so-called world power to stop this evil. That is why you are coming to tell us of radical Islam. You will soon see Christianical Islam. You will soon see Judaism Islam, because we are not Islam. We cannot be Islamic radical. But I can tell you, we can be Ogomo radical. We can be Christianic radical. We can be Judaism radical. So when you are kind to say, I will teach you Islamic radical. Oh, we are afraid. Ooh, they want to show us Islamic. Asari is there. Then there is a hopeless to fear. And there are very gullible people who will buy it. I say, please expose Islam. We are coming for you. You will see Ogomo radical. You will see Christianic radical. Forget about all these Yoruba pastors deceiving. Very soon you will know that Biafran pastors, Pentecostal pastor, Biafran reverend father, all of them are more radical katakoto than you can imagine. I'm a reverend, very radical and rugged one. But of course there are gullible people. We are pointing you to the right direction. You are yapping there. And somebody's going to say, oh no, Mazionibe, you have to be diplomatic. You don't have to sound polite. Thunder fire polite. My father sounded polite. My father before my father sounded polite. The one before him sounded polite. In every dispensation and era, with all their politely, they were all murdered in cold blood. And then I'm going to sound polite, so you will love me. Thunder fire you. When I say thunder fire you, forget about the grammar and simply tell you that Amadioha will destroy your generation. Anon Pama. Come and give us Islamic radicalization, because Biafran's IPOB have not been Islamization radicalization. That is why you are telling us this thing. You don't know where we are coming from. How will you know where we are going to? They are non-pama. They are deceiving you. Ordinary simple command. Now go back to your Bible. There is a particular chapter that says, or study that says, a still small voice. Elijah was looking out for God. The Bible says thunder came, which means Amadioha came. God was not there. Wind came. God was not there. That is the Holy Spirit. Everything came. God was not there. And until the still small voice came, there was a voice whispering. And Elijah said, no, this could not be God. When he looked out, he saw it was God. You never know how we are coming for you. You deceive us, everything you have used to deceive us. We have examined the weakness of our father before us. We make it our strength now. Pack your motor, revise and pack properly, because you never know what is coming from you. Oge munu vumnanya. Oge munu vumnanya. Etu bochi Biafra gabia. Oge munu vumnanya. Ndi mehi unugeti ya kanobi. Asimo otu bochi Biafra gabia. Oge munu vumnanya. Ndi mehi ogeti ya kanobi. Neti lihi merongwe. Lihi merongwe. Lihi merongwe. Unugeti ya kanobi. If you know our anger, if you know the bus stop we are waiting for you, you will be born again by now. May Jesus have mercy upon your soul, because it's only the one that will have mercy upon your soul. Allah will take over your soul. Ndiara to fiakwa. The inside man. I was talking about what Adem de Leon wrote. He was actually quoting somebody by the name Eluchuku or Haji. He said, I do not want Biafra. I'm not in a hurry to get Biafra. But even at that, I'm not in the school of thought that say support anything that will give them Biafra. People are saying, oh, we need Biafra. Anyhow, you want to get Biafra? Let us get the Biafra. Let us get the Biafra. Then there are some people going to social media and smoking Igbo. Oh, we are formidable. We are honorable. We are discriminable. We are going to kill Fulani. But they say we are terrorists when we are not terrorists. I am Reverend George Onyibe. I'm not a terrorist. Properly indoctrinated in the way of the Romans, in the way of the Pentecostal, in the way of the Jew. Properly indoctrinated. There is nothing you tell me. We are very obedient to every religion on the face of the planet. And as a member of 5 not just the African rep and the Nigerian international coordinator, not just a member of the board of the DOS. How can you associate me with somebody smoking Igbo and threatening everybody? We are not threatening anybody yet. When we do, we will let you know. With due respect. And then when George Onyibe, Reverend George Onyibe, he's eminent, he's speaking. They say, don't mind that. No be their brother, they smoke Igbo, they ginger for social media. Have you heard our volunteer come on social media to yap? Have you heard them? I know many of them. Now, let me tell you, I respect one decision. Our leader must have forgotten. It should be early 2015. He sent a message across to me and say, anything regarding volunteer, don't get involved. So if you are a volunteer, you are yapping, you have gone to join India and Andushi, thunder will fire you. You never know what is coming for you. But with due respect, every volunteer, whether the mad volunteer, the normal volunteer, the ordinary volunteer, the circle volunteer, I threw away my cap for you. But when you misbehave, thunder will fire you. He said, George, don't get involved in that affair. Nobody commands them. Don't get involved. And have respected that decision till today. And then all of a sudden, I see people online. They say, oh, we are Commander General, General Hellfire, General Thunder, General Andioshin Andiama, General Tototororo, and you are just there. You want to fight. What are you fighting for? Are you a criminal? The day will come, you will give account of what you have done. The inside man. He said, I am strongly against proliferation of armed, splintered groups. I think most of us are too emotional that we are ready to work even with the devil that will come to hunt us down in future. These are some of the things you don't understand. If you are there thinking of how Biafra will come alone, you are a miserable man. Forget about who you are. Stop thinking about how Biafra will come because Biafra is already here. Begin to think about how Biafra will become a good nation. Go and look at every nation in Africa that have fought. They have bled so that their nation can be delivered from the crosses of colonial terrorism individuals across the globe who are actually presently gallivanting and parading themselves as angels. When British government come on air, analyze Africa, when France and China and all of them talk about Africa, you begin to buy into their deception. But you never know they are the one who brought us to our knee. But we will rise. He says, see, I do not buy into that idea. They say, okay, let's do like this, let's do like that. No, I don't subscribe to it. Some people will even say, oh, devil, come and give us Biafra. Anything we can get Biafra, get Biafra. Go and take record of every country that has revolted against the injustice meted upon us as a people by the colonial terrorists, hopeless lunatic. It doesn't matter who they are. If France terrorized Africa and they don't want Africa to live, they are terrorists and they are very hopeless. Kingdom fall and kingdom rise. They never know what is coming for them. America terrorized any nation in Africa and today they are preaching justice and they don't want them to go. Thunder will fire them because kingdom rise, kingdom fall. If Britain will do that, Britain don't even know what is coming because their own is very obvious. We do not subscribe that. I blame Ojukwu because I understand the British government confronted Ojukwu and said, let us control your oil for 30 years. We will let you go. Ojukwu said no because Ojukwu thought that in 30 years the oil would have been gone. Ojukwu refused. But there are many things about Ojukwu you're going to love in due process. Then they ask Hausa and Yoruba, kill Biafrans, then we give you the oil. That is why you see 90% of the oil in Biafra land is controlled by Hausa Fulani. The remaining 10% is controlled by Yoruba. You never know. But I'm happy Ojukwu did not enslave us. When people talk and they talk about Philip Effiong, the only regard I have for Philip Effiong, because even though he knew he will die, he was ready to die. At the end of the day, he said to Ojukwu, take my children, protect my children. Please, please. He went to Abati Barak, where terrorists dwell across the globe in those days. and said to them, I hand over the sovereign nation of Biafra to your hand. But have it at the back of your mind that if tomorrow the same thing you did to us, you do it to our children have the right to rise up against you the same way we rise up against you. And he handed over. Today, the world cannot come out openly and speak against what IPOB is doing. Because the same thing they did to Philip Effiong, the same thing they did to Chukwemeka Odimegwu, Agune Chamber 1, the only Agune Chamber of Ejo, the only Agune Chamber of Agua, the only Agune Chamber. Of course, he's dead. We have to immortalize him. Two of them. It's still by the truth. That is why we can talk. If not, Britain should have been telling you, don't mind them. These people, they disobeying Philip Effiong. That is where you will know Philip Effiong is a Biafran. But because Philip Effiong says something that will indict all of them, they won't mention his name. And there are some hopeless Akwa Ibom people saying, we are not Biafra. We are Abalie, you. We are waiting for all of you. There was a time I went to Akwa Ibom. I called all of them. I said to them, all of you are evil. All of you are saboteur. I insulted all of them in the presence of holy men and women. But they didn't know why I was saying it. I began to receive calls from Akwa Ibom. How can you insult Akwa Ibom nation? How can you do Ototo Tororo? How can you do Ototo Tororo? And I begin to open the eye one after the other. About 70% believe in what I said. Then about 30% were very angry at me. They went ahead. They fought me to stand still. I'm still bearing the burden today. But I'm so surprised that one of them has woken up. The ringleader has woken up. Some of them practically prepared to blackmail me. They send account, let's put monthly due. Send account. And head of our finance believe them. I don't want to go there. Judge Enibe is chopping money. If you see me, my name is Tim Onanga. But I won't go into detail. But when we judge a people, when we talk about what is happening, we're looking at principled men. When I come, I praise Mazu Chimefo. Honestly, I repeat again. If God called me and say, Judge Enibe, who will be your father? The next word you will come. I'll say, oh, Uchemefo. And he said to me, which country do you want to come from? I will ask God, which country do Uchemefo come from? Biafra. Hello. He said, no, you are not going to be a father yet. I want you to be a son. I said, put me inside Uchemefo Lions. Because it is simple. The heart of this project will not see corruption. Do what you can do. Think you are very smart and sharp. You don't know what is coming for you. You better be sincere. Holistically. Why did I digress this morning? Let me stop digressing. So you will, let me see how I can hasten up anyway. I'm not happy. We are not happy. No genuine Biafrans is happy concerning what is going on. He said, I am strongly against proclamation of arm. Splinters group. And I think most of us are too emotional that we are ready to work even for the devil himself in order pretending that Biafra is coming. There are many countries that have soccer. Check Sudan, check Liberia, check any country, check even Gambia. All of a sudden, something will go wrong. A governor or a president will rise up and say, no, we will take land from terrorists. We will do this and we will do this. All of a sudden, one taxi driver, look at the case of Gambia. Is it Jami who they call him? All of a sudden, somebody, a taxi driver, is it from America or Britain, came, challenge Jimiu. And all of us are busy. Even late Buhari sent Nigerian armored car to fight Gambia. Jimiu stood back. And now a taxi driver somewhere took over the power. Somebody say, oh, it's a justice, we are happy. Oh, very good. Now, let me tell you, I'm not interested in whether Biafra will come or not. Because Biafra is already here. Biafra is already here. Now, the point is, what happened after Biafra comes? That is what all of us should put our mind in. When DSS arrested me, torturing me, they were actually having a discussion with me. They were trying to make me reason in line of what they are doing, but not knowing that indirectly they are making me see into tomorrow. When Biafra is restored today, there are many countries spending billions now to make sure the armed struggle will not stop. They are creating different groups, answering different names. And most of you that love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, most of you that sincerely love Biafra, you are buying into it. Tomorrow now, when Biafra come, you hear some people, they will say, we are BWQSAK. We fought and we are on social media. We need our share. Another group will come, we are W Defense Biafra International. We fought, give our share. Another one we say, no, we are Nayanwodu, we are Chinasanworu, yes, we are Iruanya, yes, we are Mazuche Mefo group, we are George Onibe group, give us our own share. You now ask them, what is your share? Then George Onibe group will say, we want to be the president of Biafra. They say, but no, now we agree that you say, if you don't give us Biafra, we will destroy Biafra. There are many criminal, so-called useless entity that will give them gun. They will give George Onibe gun to kill all of you. So when you are fighting for Biafra, use your tongue to count your teeth. Getting Biafra is not the issue. If you want Biafra now, I will tell you that I will give order instanta. Even before our leader will counter it or Uchemefo will counter it. People who love Biafra would have taken action. Not those who come in social media to beg money. I don't need to say, yes, Mazen and the Kanu said to me in support of Mazu Chemefo, they say we should kill all the Fulani. Anywhere you see them now, rise up and kill them. You will know what is coming for you. Before Mazen and the Kanu will say, oh, I didn't say it, or Uchemefo, the deed is done. That is why we say, we do not threaten you. We make you a promise. But if George Onibe ever rise up one day to abuse the privilege given to him, because this is the greatest privilege of my life, may I not die alone. May my memory become a curse on the face of the planet Earth. They can do all they can to frustrate me. You understand? I'm over emotionally unstable. Over, and on Pama. Then you begin to see different group. We now begin to kill ourselves. And then the whole world, Britain most especially, and share company. We say that is why they don't want them to go. They be saying this Biafra. We don't want them to go because we know what the menace they will cause. And people will say, it's true. Please send us back to Nigeria. Anon Pama. You think we are naive? You think we are ignorant? The inside man. Now, most of you are looking at Biafra restoration, but you have failed to understand the program of the inside man. I have heard many people I have respect for. They tell me they do not obey chain of command. Thunder will fire you. The day you come to me and tell me you don't believe in command and control or chain of command, thunder will fire you. You have no idea what is coming. We were humiliated. We were humbled by Iruanya, Imam Mezu. What are their name? Among others. When you talk is about you are chained and you are command. I will stretch my hand, they will chain me and they will command me. Thunder fire you. It's not time for you to be chained and command. You don't want to be chained and command. IPOB leadership should chain me and command me. You will see how willing I am to be chained and to be commanded. Only Biafra to come. The chain of command is destroying IPOB. All of you telling me chain of command. I have your audio online. I'm waiting for all of you to come and exhibit your stupidity. I have tried to speak to those who have listened to me and they are fooling themselves. If you know the library I have built for all of you, thunder will fire you. You better be here to restore Biafra, following the directive of our leader, Mazenande and Uchemefo. If you think you will kill me and you will go away with it, you don't know how many people that have access to my Facebook. Kill me and think you will block them. There are people who will activate it later. Your atrocity will never be hidden. For 10 million Biafrans cannot die for nothing. My mother bank account cannot be frozen by Awolowo. And they use it to build Capri Nigerian PSC for Yoruba. And you are drinking pepper soup and popping champagne. Who the hell are you? And you are telling us, say, Mazina, they cannot have acknowledged us. We pour champagne for General Buhari to defend Biafra land. Thunder fire you. The highest place they killed our people is in Delta State. My place. The next place they committed heinous crime and atrocity against the Biafran people is in Imo State. I'm not surprised when I see a lot of chimpanzee, monkey, and babu emanating from Imo State. Hey, we are going to defend Biafra land. You are jumping from Iguacha to Imo State. Thunder will fire all of you. You better remove this microphone. If you don't, then repent. You have a way to stop me from talking on this platform, or you repent, because you will not run at the end of the day. So when you are coming and say, hey, let's do different groups, some of you will even let devil to rule you, so to get Biafra. Are you considering what will happen when Biafra come? We will destroy ourselves in 1 week until we quench this rebellion. Now, let me tell you, when you see Fulani Esme, Miati, they are jumping up and down, ravaging and raping and doing everything, and we keep quiet. It's because we know they are not the real threats. We will respond, they will know. Okay, me wa vum nanya. We will respond, they will know. We know that the inside man need to be taken care of. We know. The secret of success of the man of 1967, that they marched under one command to the final day. Why are some of our people so eager to lead? Why are they? When you talk about Ojukwu, if you go and ask those who fought in defense of Nigeria against our people, they attacked many places. They were in Abagana. They were in Delta State. They attacked many places. Biafra land stand gidigba. Oh, itu aka Chineke anyị no agidigba hu. Itu aka Chineke anyị no agidigba hu. Biafra stand gidigba. Nigeria will never forget their experience in Abagana. But I won't go there. They were looking for the center of gravity. When they talk about center of gravity, they were looking for a very soft spot to penetrate. And it was in Rivers State. Many people misunderstood. Many people took money. And when they hit Rivers State, Biafra fall. They hit Ebonyi State. They hit Enugu State. They hit Anambra State. They bombarded Abia State. Biafra land stand. The moment they touch Rivers State, Biafran collapse. Biafran collapse. A lot of people want to lead. Oh, I am General Hellfire. I know how many people that consider me as enemy because I thought of General Hellfire. General Hellfire, his name is Jimmy. He is part of Nigerian Navy. Most of you from diaspora have sponsored him. You want him to kill George Onibe. He's hiding now, but he threatened me. He's from Imo State. His name is Jimmy. Those of you who are there going to wisdom zone, you want to have wisdom. Wisdom melu ndiara. Until he led Akwambo and Cosmos Otombong, led by Iruanya, and they come on social media and say, oh, Masi George Onibe and Ichemefo, they are worse than Huzbla, they are worse than Hubra, they are worse than they kill us, they almost rape us more. Most of you have not seen my wife anyway. In case you are looking for my wife, she answers Awusa name because I have changed all my children name to Awusa. One is Buhari, the other one is Abakeyare, the other one is Erufai, the other one is Kwankwaso. My wife's name now is Aisha, just that I didn't put Buhari, so you better go and look for them very well. Ndiara, that I have to tell you so you know what is coming for you. You threaten Cancer to kill his mother, his wife, and his children. He gave himself. What did you do? You killed him. You poured acid in his body, and you buried him, and you paid few people. Go and ask Magnus Abbey. They know what Kisaru we were. When I talk, hey, don't talk. Sabi, I say, oh, everybody have to fight now. We have to fight. Thunder will fire you. This is just the beginning. The journey has not started. Mazimefo came on air and warned you. Mazimefo came yesterday and warned you. One chain of command. All of us must be chained. And the key must be given to our supreme leader and his deputy. We must remain chained. It's only when Biafra is restored, then they will lose us. If they fail to lose us, we will revolt. We cannot blame them tomorrow until we help them to get Biafra. Don't you get it? Don't you get it? You think we are naive? All those of you who are called to handle sensitive offices, you are being emotional. Well, may God have mercy upon you. Let us be wise and think not only on the restoration of Biafra, let us also begin to consider how we are going to build a genuine nation, a sincere nation. Charles Taylor did bad. Samuel Doe was there. Samuel Doe did bad. Charles Taylor was there. Go and look at Libya. Go and look at Sudan. They have been programmed for self-destructive. They build many people and give them gun. They are killing themselves now when they are supposed to be building their nation. Those of you supporting any group, whether on social media or media social, you are evil or you are unreasonable. But do you really know? No, we have to do our own. Now you are in a hurry, Abi. Thunder will fire you. You are talking to George Onibe. God gave us a leader. He gave us a deputy. He chooses people who follow him. Most of you do not know. I've been working before now. I never believe I will even be a deputy state coordinator, not to talk of African rep at the same time, Nigeria international coordinator. I've been working. Chidebere Onwudiwe It's the greatest testament of all time. Others can pretend as if they don't know. But are we here to serve personality? Of course, no. There is no level I have not operated in IPOB. I see some people, they tell me, hey, we are volunteer, but I've been a member of the volunteer. Go and ask late Mustafa. Go and ask late Mustafa. When I noticed the radicals then and the hopeless people there, I pull back. Go and ask late Mustafa if you can assist him. Turn that fire all over. Because I'm a man of God, you think I'm just a man of God who will say, all of I will not don't work, finish me, when I can carry, give me. We now say, amen. Or the group that say, Roboskin to Roboske Kindiara, Anompama. Get it. After this junction, there is another junction. There are people waiting for us. Very soon, they will say, okay, we want to give you, what do they call it, referendum. And we will go. The moment we go, we not begin to rejoice. Oh, hallelujah, 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 we are free. You never know the music that will come that day. We begin to hear people say, when the Spirit of the Lord is upon my life, I will dance like David dance. Ekwe. When the Spirit of the Lord is upon my life, I will dance like David dance. Hallelujah. I will dance. I will dance. Yoruba will even come and beat drum for you. You never know this is the beginning of Biafra Haram. They are waiting for you already. Chain of command, command and chain. Anyhow it is. That is how it's going to be. Now waiting at the long right at the interpreter. Adia mama. I feel put salt and pepper, but I'm just trying to help you understand, you know. This weekend, logo. If you are under oath of IPOB, if you are under oath, you don't need another oath. I remember when George Onibe was operating ordinary on paper oath, a lot of people wrote petition against me. They say this man is taking too much post. He has not been to Aruchuku. He will sell us out. Let me tell you, Abo don't come out. If Abo come out, then don't come out. The only respect or the reason I can be proud to say I'm Abo man don't fight Abo man. If we don't agree, everybody to your tent to Israel. We are forbidden from fighting one another. When I see Abo man, I'm not afraid of them. Even the Abo man I'm having issue with, I will eat their food and drink their water because from our culture, we don't fight ourselves. So he has to go to Aruchuku because they thought I'm a reverend. I will not go to Aruchuku. IPOB leadership must introduce another Sharan. We need to swear on all of them. And I was watching them. So he had to go to Aruchuku. No, we can't trust him. You that have sent me, I left Abo to go to Aruchuku. You want to run for Aruchuku? Thunder will fire all of you. Get ready because Biafra Haram is coming. I'm just telling you so that you begin to prepare yourself for what you go. You think you will kill me and you go away for it? You think you will kill me and the can on IPOB die? The inside man, that is our focus. Make no mistake about it. We know they play. We are not joking. We are not smiling. We are just waiting for the world power to do what they're supposed to do. Be sincere. I wonder why Yoruba Facebook has not cut me off. Okay, I'm not calling Yoruba and a British government name properly. I'm coming for you people. So better cut me off before it's too late for you. Bushmeat everywhere. You are on oath. Oh, come. You want to do something. Come and take oath. You run to Aruchuku, you took oath. The moment you took oath, you now begin to recruit people from inside IPOB. Now, I'm not against any group, but I'm against any group coming into IPOB to recruit anybody. I'm against you. Now you recruited, you went to take oath, only for you to come and take oath to recognize IPOB member. Abi? And there are some IPOB member already yapping. And there are people calling me, don't worry, we are doing the same thing. I'm not doing the same thing with you. Stop following back door. You think our leader is naive or stupid? You come and lie to him. I don't document on our stupidity. I'm not in a hurry. I know all of you. Fake name, original name, I'm waiting for you. When I say you don't get your way, I go release her. Boom. All set, Yana. I just give it. Boom. We begin to get okay. There is no compromising. We want Biafra. We want Biafra. I've seen men and women die. I have seen brothers and sisters fall. I have seen many of them today still suffering. A man calling me from Akwa Ibom, his only son was murdered. This man called me and think that I hold a bag of money. When we went to bury him in Akwa Ibom people say we will not bury that boy in Akwa Ibom. We brought his dead body to Port Harcourt. We paid for a piece of land and buried that boy. That Akwa Ibom boy is buried in Akwa Ibom. So those of you yapping, you don't know what is coming for you. Don't worry. Inside man. He said, emotionally immaturity and lack of group discipline was the primary cause of the collapse of the black race when the terrorists invaded Africa. When the church in Rome observed how emotional and impetuous we Africans were, Pope Nicholas V issued two papal bills, one in 1452, Dum Divisa, and another Romanus Pontifex in 1454. Permitting the perpetual enslavement of we Africans. In fact, he said, who are emotionally indisciplined. It made them easy to prey and to revenue European conquerors, Portuguese conquerors, who by intent and purpose were under one command, unlike the cleanish Africa that fought on different and often divergent front with no cohesion. I know a lot of heroes in Africa. When you talk about Shaka the Zulu, he conquered the Europeans, he conquered the British, he conquered the Portuguese, he conquered everybody who placed their foot upon South Africa. But along the line, it became soft. Today, they never tell you about that. There are some Oyibo now in South Africa claiming indigenous. These are children of terrorists without apology. And some of you read the history of Ovaromi Obaisi. He conquered the European. He conquered the Portuguese. He conquered everybody. He was betrayed by Osasako, a fellow Yoruba, a fellow Edo man. So when you hear them saying, I go do me, go do. Ovaromi Obaisi actually placed them on it cost them. Go and read the Ovaromi Obaisi. He said, now the pot of corn have been tumbleed. Now mother hen can rejoice over it. He swear for them. Those who are supposed to protect him, they betray him. Today we are enslaved by Yoruba religiously because we are too emotional. I studied Christianity. I played a white church, Arabian church, every church. I played them. This is what I get. When you see a British church, a white man church, what you see or what you observe or what you notice is fine instrument. Fine instrument. They know how to play the music. They begin to say, Holy, Holy God Almighty. You will not hear the guitar. You look like you are in heaven. They are mechanical, artificial, very fake. No emotion there. When I studied all the musicians in the world, I knew why Michael Jackson was who he was. Because Michael Jackson don't just sing. He poured his soul into his music. So when you remove guitar, tell a Yibo man close to you to worship God, you will see how empty they are. But come and meet a Biafran man, a genuine black man to worship the Creator. You will be moved. Now let me teach you one. Ibuchukwu ibuge madwe. Ibuchukwu ibuge madwe. Agbanwe. Ibuchukwu obinigwe. Ibuchime. Ibuchukwu ibuge madwe. Ibuchukwu onye na-agwọ ọrịa mụ analego. Ibuchukwu onye na-echi ikpe ziri ezi. Nwane otu onye. Abeg make I stop, make I no release album. You think I'm happy? Just trying to see if you will understand why we are here. They conquered us. They destroyed us. When I told them, no, don't talk about religion. You will provoke Pope. You will provoke Adeboye. I didn't talk about religion. If you come along, you talk religion, I will cut you off. Hadia mama. IPOB1 command structure is the reason Why it stood all that the zoo and the British government had thrown against us since 2015 without imploding. One command is discipline, and every arm needed is discipline, or else it will only bunch of lunatic and hopeless people you will be seeing everywhere. Say, hey, our sister want to broadcast, please carry him along. And then they come on social media and say, oh, we want freedom. Then the next day they say, oh, Imo State governor is pursuing us. You think you are deceiving us? Yoshi. Martin Nnamdi Kanu remain our supreme leader. When Biafra come, you can talk anything else. But you are there opposing IPOB. You will know what is coming for you. Forget that place you are living. People live there. The way you come out, you just jump up and it say you are invincible. Oh, we are come here to defend Biafra. Let us pour champagne. Yeah, we pour champagne. We are now registered. What is your registration number? What is your registration number? Freedom fighter. Make us stop so that I no go just talk finish. No time for honor to call. Make us just stop. But our people must remain focused. Our people reason very well. You know, there is a song. They say, reason very well, think very well. They want to Islamize us. They want to do so. This morning, reason very well. Make a log out. And they come back.
Even very well, want to Islamize, don't want to keep. We need to go in a freedom. I need a Biafra restoration. United Nations, declare them wanted because they want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. Hey. They are the one, the Boko Haram. They are the one, please declare they wanted. They are the liars, they are the thieves and the criminals. Buhari, you are the one. Boko Haram, we know you. Israel, you are there. Support United Nations to declare them wanted. They want to Islamize us. They want to kill us all. They are the one that go around. They can't stop Biafra. They are the baboons and the monkeys. The people that decide their liars. They are the baboons and the monkeys. They want to kill us, no way. They hear from us time. There's no going back. Cause we are the will of God. You need a God, you need a weeping, you need a worship. Muhammad al-Buhari, you are the one, you have everybody who knows you. You need a God, you need a weeping, you need a worship. Muhammad al-Buhari, what is your mind? Oh, Abashaya, you are the man. Abashaya, you are the man. Soldiers in the zoo, think very well, reason very fast. Come and join us now. Biafra is very real. Navy in the zoo, police in the zoo. Come and join us now. Biafra is very real. They want to Islamize now. Come and join the Biafra now. Come and join a better way. Mohamed Buhari, you are the failure to Nigeria. Mohamed Buhari, you are the Boko Haram. We know. Isoko Ahama Ijo. We are all their friends. We give your shit to We are all Biafra. Hey, we are Biafra. Hey, Ikala. Iwocha, we are all Biafra. Hey, nobody can stop us now. Nobody can stop Biafra now. Come and join us. Biafra is real. They want to Islamize us. They want to kill. We are the ones. The Boko Harams. Mohammed Buhari, the president of the zoos. You are a failure. You cannot stop us now. We know you. We know you. Stop propaganda. Stop hypocrisy. Stop imposture. Stop sabotage.
Yes, sir, without wasting much of our time, our lines are open at this moment. I must assure you that. Believe me, I'm having challenges with the WhatsApp line, but you still can be trying it. But I assure you it will end on this broadcast. Because people will say, Mama, no go sleep, no go sleep. Never withstanding, our WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. Our WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Special number dedicated to the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female, 081-288-58614. And of course, if you call that number, any of them you call, just this morning I will accept it. Understand, we are not looking for leader. We have a leader already. The only thing we can do so we will be remembered is to make sure that we rally around our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Any other thing, any other umbrella. You see, most of you were warned and they say, anything you want to do, get out of IPOB and do it. And yet we are coming to say, our leader, who told you is your leader? Hey, our leader, Mazi Kanu endorse us. Where did he endorse you? You better tell him to come and tell us that he has endorsed you. If he didn't come to tell us that he has endorsed you, we will endorse you for stupidity and non-pama. Chain of command, command of chain. When you are planning, oh, let's pursue Hausa, you don't know there are people worse than Hausa Fulani in our land already. Now we moto no plenty. Now we. I don't have transport to Jiro Mego moto. He say bayewa, oh wanyanye. Now we my foot. Can you hear me call on WhatsApp? Of course, if you have access to my WhatsApp line, you are free to call anyway. Can you hear me call on WhatsApp?
My brother.
Yes, your name and where are you calling from? Go ahead, please, and do not hesitate. Don't greet me. Just talk sense to our people. Don't greet me. You can greet our leader and the deputy. Just talk sense to them and tell them to follow chain. Let them change themselves. Carry the padlock and give to deputy or our leader. All of us must be changed. Two captain cannot be in a ship. And general, look at people doing franchise. To fiakwa. You think our Fulani is our problem? Hey, they are killing us. They are killing us. You think they are our problem? My brother, go on, please.
The problem is enemy within. Well, my name is Simon. I'm calling from Amelia, Spain. Please, our brothers and sisters back home. I just want to talk to some of you because I've been listening since getting to 1 week or 5 days now about talking about some group that is coming up trying to distort what we are doing. Let me tell you guys, if we are not one, if IPOB do not have a structure, a command and control structure, we won't be here where we are today because the zoo government and their British agents have tried in different groups just to distract us, just to distract IPOB, just to destroy what we are doing. And if you are pumping out, doing everything you are doing, I don't know, I know there is hunger, I know there is people want to make it anyhow by force. This is freedom fighter. This is not business. This is not blogging business. Who want to come out?
Bloggers now. What they do is now they come on social media and say freedom. They can't mention IPOB. They can't mention Mazen and the Kanu. They can't mention Uchemefo. The moment they say, freedom, they now begin to emboss Uchemefo, begin to emboss our leader and other people, and tell them, they are formidable. I have been calling all of them. Come and broadcast here. They are running. One of them, I finished arrangement with him. He said, what about my house rent? Then what about the feeding money? I said, I'm coming back. And there are people watching George Onibe. Once they hear money, they hear George Onibe, you will know they can write. Anon Pama.
Yeah.
And they think they're trying to wear me out. I'm sorry for all of them. You think you're going to wear Biafra out? I'm sorry for all of you. Just try and take that thing away from me you think you're going to take. You better make sure I'm alive, because when I'm dead without conscience, you never know what is coming for you. We want our freedom, and some people are trying to compromise it. My brother, hit the nail on the head. Let's go, please.
Let me make it clear to every one of you. All these things that is coming out, we know that it will come out. That is why we started what we are doing early. Hungry man don't do a freedom fighter. He must be contented, physically, spiritual, and otherwise. Please, brothers and sisters, what we are here to do is to restore Biafra. When Biafra come, any of you can do whatever you want to do, but Biafra is what we are looking for. You people should stop making yourselves to be a prey.
Thank you very much.
Because the evil ones are waiting to snare and destroy most of you.
Thank you.
Because it is not
very much.
You people will come out here to do.
Thank you very much.
Please.
We must continue. I was listening to those commenting on Facebook, and somebody said, when George Onibe tell you thank you very much, he's simply telling you your time is up. And I love that brother, very sensitive. When I say thank you very much, round up and cut off, please. That is command and control. Hadia Mama, call on the line. Can you hear me?
I say may people bless every Biafra that are working assiduously to make sure that the stock kingdom of people on earth. I just want to pass what happened to my own town village in Imo State, being Mbano, Ishala Mbano, Obozo. Fulani herdsmen have taken over everywhere in my town village. My people is no longer going to farm. They have taken over everywhere. Yesterday I called in my place, call my king, ask my king what is going on. I think said that they will then come to market and do this, and they pursue them over my place. They say that they are heading to Omaya. But the greatest surprise that these people in my farmland, building house in my farmland, I tell my king that my king, if we cannot make any effort to make sure that these people go out from my farmland, we make sure that I'm obliged to make sure that most of them, they will not go off free.
Thank you very much.
So my brother,
thank you.
I want to call on every Biafran.
Thank you very much.
Also, as every Biafran at home also, Ishalamba, to wake up. We are going to chase these people out from my place.
Thank you very much.
They said that they are with AK-47. The other time they come, we chase them out. They
thank you very much.
Again and reinforce themselves.
Thank you very much. When I say thank you very much, round up and move on. You continue talking, I will cut you off. This is Radio Biafra Extra, and the last time I checked, I'm still the anchor. When I say thank you very much, cut off. Those from those community, everybody in Biafra land, we know you cannot do very much. We want you to know who they are, where they sleep, where they eat, who they sleep with, where they buy recharge card, where they buy pure water, the vehicle they use. Don't talk to them. Find out who they are. We intend to document the stupidity of the black people. We intend to publish them in a global journal. We intend to expose them to the background. We are not in a hurry. We do not want socially free Biafra. We do not just want economically free Biafra. We do not want to second Igbo tenure or Ijo tenure free Biafra. We want absolute Biafra. Perfect Biafra. Can you hear me, caller on WhatsApp? When I say thank you, please cut off. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma. Please,
Yes.
when I tell you
Hello.
thank you, round up. If you don't round up, I will cut you off.
Are you hearing me?
I
Am
can
I
hear
coming
you.
out?
You are coming out, but I
Okay,
hope you
good
heard
morning,
what I
my
said.
lovers of freedom. Good morning everywhere, everybody. Good afternoon everywhere, depending on your time. Just take my greeting. May Almighty Chukwu bless every one of you, which I'm playing every 24 hours of my life. Well, Mazonibe, you are wonderful. Mazonibe, you will live long and see Biafra. Mazi, my able leader, Onyendu, deputy, and all the directors of the state, all the hardcore that is anchoring this our struggle. I'm kneeling down this morning as one of the mothers of IPOP family in Biafra, the whole world. They say, may Almighty Spirit of God continue showering upon all of you. In our Hessian name I pray. Mazonibe, I stand in what your topic this morning. I am highly emotional. That is why I get up this morning. I say, my prayer 24 hours and our leader's prayer. Let everybody listen to me carefully now. As one of the IPOP mother, I don't fear any evil. I don't fear any idiot. My name is from only my telling my voice, and the one is saying he's 100% correct. He's 100% millions of times we are in support of what he's saying. And not only that, I'm using this opportunity to tell all the hardcore of IPOP, be very, very careful, especially if you call yourselves a coordinator or mother or father, so far you're in the IPOP. We are working under command and control, under the leadership of Nadine Mazin Nandekano. My leader, Onyendu. Mazin Nandekano is the person that made me to come out, to know where I come from, to come out and speak on the radio. And mind you people, do you know that this radio, the whole world is hearing this radio? Do you know what I'm piloting here in Catalonia? Do you know a lot of level in this Catalonia that is hearing this radio? What I'm suggesting this morning, let my deputy hear it, let my leader hear it. I'm frankly speaking, if I want it, I'm sending this message because you know what I mean. Anybody that is coming to this radio and talk any touch and talk any announcement, because I will not be, for me and to see me, this one affected me. I'm one of the victims. I don't need to say it on air. You understand? But that is the reason why I tell you that I am highly emotional. My deputy attached will come out and say something. Then let the whole world hear. Let we have call here. Let your coordinator here. Let your member of the family here. We are not coming. Mazin Nandekano has done everything that he has to do in his life. Somebody that he gave his family. Somebody that did everything to us. But an individual will come out and stand by the side and continue say that he wants to spoil
our people are dying. They are raping our people and they are pumping champagne. Inaugurated.
If I don't need to narrate anything because it's very painful. I'm crying that a lot of people that because of this radio, they will get up and continue impulse maybe because I'm talking on phone.
Thank you very much.
If I tell you what of trash,
thank you very much.
That means that they are plans to spoil IPOP. So let everybody be careful. We are under one control and control of Mazin Nandekano and deputy. Apart from that, that person is not among.
You see. When I tell you thank you, stop. It is simple. Once I begin to say thank you very much, round up. Understand. The cloud is gathered already. It's going to rain. Don't let anybody deceive you. The point is that understand. It's not about the man who lead. It is about the God that is behind that man. Every one of us, Biafran, dead or alive, knowledgeable or ignorant, we know the truth. That Mazin Nandekano and his deputy cannot do what they have done, except God is with them. And I hear a lot of people, they say, Akachuku Noya. It's a testament we already know. It exists. And then stop looking at the men behind. Look at the God behind them. You think you have bigger stomach more than our leader? You think you have more degree inside your portfolio more than our leader and his deputy? You think somehow along the line you can ginger more than the swagger? You gotta go, you gotta get ready. Imanka. We are humble because we know nobody knows it all. If you are taller than me, are you shorter than me? If you are fairer than me, are you darker than me? If you are slim, how do they put it? Is it slimmer than me? Are you fatter than me? Kwademe yijelu. Nisha wakwole yo ni mwakole yo ebijeko yijelu. Caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yes, El Biafra. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Masi Uchemefo. Long live Biafrans. My name is Mazi Okechukwu. I'm calling from Togo. I want to use this opportunity to let our people to know that they should not be always emotional when it comes to this Biafran struggle. And those, I have to go straight to the point. Those people that are IPOB members who also join another group that claim that are under IPOB. You people don't know that you are going against your oath you took. It's not the way it's supposed to be. And you cannot take two oaths at the same time to be loyal to two people at the same time. We can never ever in this struggle have two generals. We can never ever in this struggle have two commanders. It's not possible. Two captains can never be in one boat. And let me tell you guys, you are looking at what our enemies are saying. You think that you are getting support. It's not so. I am giving you guys personally 10 days. If you guys refuse to retreat your step, I'm going to expose everything. And you guys are joined what you don't know. When I expose what I'm going to expose, then you will then know what you are into. You don't know how all these things started. You just joined, taking oaths everywhere. And the people who are supporting you, even from the United States, don't even know the motive of what you people started.
Thank you.
This is warning. We look in this struggle.
Thank you very much.
People have died. People have died. We are not here for gain.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I am telling you, our people should be very, very careful. Don't support what you don't know.
Very much.
Don't you ever defend what you don't know.
Thank you very much. Our people must wake up. It is simple. Learning discipline comes bit by bit. Learning discipline comes bit by bit. We must make sure we imbibe on this discipline. Let me tell you, you hear about Chinese war. A war that is considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. A war so high and so thick that it's almost impossible to penetrate. But in 100 years' time, this war was breaking down and China was invaded more than 5 times. It is not because the war could not stop the invader, because there are corrupt individuals. And after that, they initiated the mechanism of discipline, and said, never again we will tolerate it in our land. Today, you are enjoying and Japan is waxing stronger. If we apply the same discipline here in Biafra land, is it not acceptable? You are there honoring insincere people. And then those who are dying are there. Now they want to teach you Islamic radicalization. You radicalize Islam. Me, I'm abo radicalization. Abo radicalization. Who got time? Who had the time for you? Have you been where we've been to? Have you drank water from where we drank from? Have you baited where we baited from? Have you slept where we slept? Please, when you call me, hit the nail on the head. You try greeting and talking over and over, I will cut you off. That is what I want to do this morning. Please. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Caller on the line, are you there? Of course, that is Zoo Epileptic Network. But we must continue. We must continue. Don't let anybody distract you. Caller on the line, are you there?
Yes, Mazi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Go ahead, please. Hit the nail on the head.
Yes, man. Yeah, thank you very much, Mazi, for picking up. Mazi, my name is Ubet, I'm calling from United Kingdom. I thank everybody. Thank our leader, his deputy. Mazi, the reason of calling is this morning. I just want to let these saboteurs know that our people are dying. Our people are no longer going to the farm. Our mothers have been raped. Our daughters have been raped. Everything has been destroyed. And these saboteurs are rearing their ugly head. Saboteurs, our people are dying. Change your ways now before it's too late. Before it's too late. Change your way. They have been telling you, get out of IPOB's ways, all you saboteurs, but you don't listen. Go and ask if Aduna what happened to him. Mazi, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
You are just a genuine Biafran, I must tell you. You are. That is how I should be. Hit the nail on the head. Today own is different. Can you hear me? Call on the line. Ada, you have abandoned me. You have abandoned me. Ada,
no,
you abandoned me. Eh? Okay. He may travel. I just say that day where I holler you can't abandon me. Eh? Oh yeah, Biko Gawaniru Machineke. Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. God will reward you. God will reward you. You know, all these people that you see that are coming in social media, they are all 419. They are all 419. And our each of us have said that any from radio, they are for any act. All here they are all over the world. Don't allow all these fake people. They are all 419. They are all 419. Don't allow those people to deceive you. Like now, I will change God. I will change. I will all the rape, they are raping our women. All the herdsmen that scattering our town, they didn't see it. All these people we see that they are looking for money. Imagine our people now have opened their eyes. Where are all these people for a long time? For years? Huh? Huh? Please, they are not going to tell you whether you can even the record won't reach you. Is closing our the power.
Thank you very much.
People are turn back. Most people know all the places these people are betraying our leader.
Thank you.
But forget about this and they are looking for their property. But God will see their work.
Thank you very
God
much.
will see their work.
Thank you.
God will see their work. Look at the other people by saying, but look at our church. The church is the most place leader.
Thank you very much.
A joining people there.
Yes, we must continue. It is simple. Our people must understand in different form. You see, when you're talking about unity, it's not unity of Ndiaran and Yoshi. The Bible says there is no fellowship. You do not equally yoke with unbeliever. There is no unity, but unity of purpose, unity of understanding, unity of target, unity of focus, unity of concentration, unity of Biafran people can only be narrowed down in one word. We want to go. No retoucher, no restructure, no ruga, no garu, no livestock, no Biafra or Biafra. They tap you and say, yes, what do you want? Biafra. What do you say? Biafra. Are you ready? Biafra. Shall we go? Biafra. Be mad because of Biafra. That is when we know you. Do you think our leader abandoned the throne of Afali Beku because it's normal? Only abnormal people fight for Biafra. If you are normal, get out of this platform. because you will see what we are abnormal for the cause of justice, for the cause of righteousness, for the cause of transparency. We have become abnormal. I come out and I make some post, and I'm just watching some people to show themselves. We now know all of you who are so claiming to be our leader loyalty, but yet you are building another front. You're building another front. There are criminals everywhere. I watch people who are saying, oh, we will teach Onibe lesson, we will get him. I've pulled back for all of you. Almost a year going now, you have not seen where I eat one money. Now your blackmail has come to nothing. Where is the defense fund? Most of you don't know that these people you are aiding and abetting to tell you they are defending our land. Most of them, I have their audio when they said that they will crush Niger Delta, they will crush everybody, they will crush IPOB. And some of you are there because you are gingering. Radical Islam, my foot. When I see Islam radicalizing, I can only pity them. Gang of collaborated, manipulated, orchestrated, initiated, planeticated. Just take all the English, we know who you are. Ndiara. I'm very sorry I will not be able to pick any more call now, but I will still repeat the same thing for you. Reason very well, think very well. They want to Islamize us. They want to stop us, but we will not allow them. I love all of you. Genuine ones, I say. Honestly, I love you. Thank you for calling in. If I cut you off, don't feel bad about it. It's not to make you dehumanize you or make you feel bad. No, I just want to call your attention that sometimes we need to be disciplined. It doesn't matter whose fault is caught. Honestly. Sincere apology to those who could not assess me. But honestly, from next broadcast, things will get better. I can assure you that. God be with all of us. God bless Mazen Nandekano and his deputy Chimefo. And Anakulu say, Nde wonu, Nde wonu, Nde wonu.
Abasia ya ya, chukua vya mind waya. Abasia ya ya, chukua vya mind waya. Abasia ya ya, chukua vya
Little brain. Think very well, reason very well. They want to Islamize, they want to kill. We need to go, we need a freedom. We need a Biafra restoration. United Nations declare them wanted because they want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. Hey. They are the one, the Boko Haram. They are the one, please declare them wanted. They are the liars, they are the cheats, thieves and the criminals. Buhari, you are the one. Boko Haram, we know you. Israel, you are there. Support United Nations to declare them wanted. They want to Islamize us. They want to kill us all. They are the one that go around. They can't stop Biafra. They are the baboons and the monkeys. The people that decide they are liars. They are the baboons and the monkeys. They want to kill us, no way. They hear from us there. There's no going back. Cause we are the will of God. You need a gun, you need a weapon, you need a worship. Muhammad Buhari, you are the one, you have everybody who know you. You need a gun, you need a weapon, you need a worship. Muhammad Buhari, what is your mind? Oh, Abasaya, Chukwa Abasaya, Chukwa Soldiers
police in the zoo. Feel very well, reason very fast. Come and join us now. Biafra is very real. Navy in the zoo, police in the zoo. Come and join us now. Biafra is very real. We want to Islamize now. Come and join the Biafra now. Come and join the better place. Yeah. Oh, Ahmed Buhari, you are the failure to Nigeria. Oh, Ahmed Buhari, you are the Boko Haram. We know. Isoko Ahaba Ijo. We are all your friends. We keep your shaking. We are all your friends. Hey, feet. We are your friends. The Igbos. Hey, Igala. Igwocha. We are all your friends. Hey, nobody can stop us now. Nobody can stop your friend now. Come and join us.